All right, those are just the in the shell peanuts on top of my pickles. I'm just adding in some more pickle juice here and a couple of my smaller pickles right on top. Beautiful. Now I'm coming in with my pimento stuffed olives. I'm just adding in all this rind and I'm getting in some olives right on top here. That looks delicious. Alrighty, now I'm coming in with my garlic powder and I'm going to apply a generous amount of this. I absolutely love garlic. It's one of my favorite seasonings, favorite flavors. This is gonna go so well with that pickle and olive juice. All right, now I'm coming in with my Tony's Carol seasoning and I am going to apply a generous amount of this, y'all. This is such a delicious taste and flavor. If you wanna make, excuse me. If you wanna make anything really authentic, this Tony's Carol is perfect for your Cajun or your Carol dishes. Alrighty, I'm just gonna come in here with my spoon. I'm gonna give this a little mix so all that beautiful seasoning gets into our rind and juices. Y'all, this is gonna be so delicious. It's a Southern delicacy. It was introduced to me by my husband, Marty. He was living out in South Carolina and I went to visit him and there was actually a restaurant he used to work in where they served boiled peanuts in the bar on the dock there. And let me tell you, that is how I fell in love. Alrighty, we're just gonna put our lid onto our crock pot. I'm gonna have this on high and we're just gonna leave it on as long as we can let it go and also until it's smelling amazing. Alrighty, y'all. We've had our peanuts here going on high for about 6 hours. And oh, I'm just gonna scoop some of these out. Oh my gosh. Marty, does this look just like in South Carolina?
Absolutely.
Okay, I'm so excited. When Marty introduced me to these, I just love them so much. These are gonna have such a great flavor. So I think you crack the shell open and you gotta suck the juice out. Is that right, Marty?
So far, so good.
So far, so good. And then I got my little peanuts in here. Oh my gosh. Y'all, these are tasty. These are the perfect little appetizer to serve at any party or get together, especially outdoors in the summer. Could be in the winter too though. These are just so good. Y'all, you gotta try them.